Hello everyone. Today we will look at the DIY proof of concept project, Universal PWM Signal Isolation Module, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Today's DIY project uses a high-speed optocoupler module to safely separate and transfer a pulse width modulation signal, also known as a PWM signal, between different parts of a system, like sending signals from a low-power microcontroller to control a high-power device. This project can be developed by electronics hobbyists, students, engineers, or anyone with basic knowledge of electronic circuits and components. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to learn more about signal isolation, PWM control, and optocoupler applications. Let us see the demonstration first. This is our setup. When the input is high, the output will be low, and vice versa. This means that when the input is high, the LED glows, and when the input is low, the LED does not glow. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. The 6N137 high-speed optocoupler is the heart of the project. It provides electrical isolation between the input and the output. It uses light to transfer the signal, protecting sensitive parts of the circuit from high-voltage spikes or noise. A capacitor helps filter out electrical noise and ensures stable operation of the optocoupler by smoothing out the power supply near the chip. Resistors limit the current flowing through the circuit. 3 LED used for visual feedback. It lights up when the output changes state, making it easier to see if the circuit is working. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few connecting wires are used. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components, including the optocoupler, capacitors, resistors, and LED on the breadboard. Follow the circuit diagram to assemble the circuit. Once the circuit is assembled, power up the circuit. You will see that when the input is high, the LED glows, and when the input is low, the LED does not glow. Voila, it works. So, what did you learn? Learned how to use an optocoupler to keep two parts of a circuit electrically separate. Learned how PWM signals can be safely transferred using isolation. Learned about PWM resolution and how it affects signal control. Interested in developing your own universal PWM signal isolation module? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.